A cosmic riddle so tantalizing it's captured the imagination of scientists, dreamers, and explorers alike.
They call it Planet 9.
Welcome to a story unlike any other, a tale of discovery, obsession, and the unrelenting human drive to uncover the unknown. This is the hunt for Planet 9, a world so elusive it might just rewrite everything we thought we knew about our cosmic backyard. Buckle up, because this journey is going to take us to the edge of the solar system and beyond. Let's dive in. Our story begins not with a planet, but with a puzzle. In the early 2000s, astronomers started noticing something odd about the outer reaches of our solar system. Out there in the frigid darkness, a group of distant objects called trans-Neptunian objects, or TNOs, were behaving strangely. Their orbits weren't random. They were clustered, like sheep herded by an invisible shepherd. And their paths stretched into long looping ellipses, as if something massive was tugging at them from afar. This wasn't just a quirk. It was a clue, a big one. Something out there was exerting a gravitational pull so powerful, it was shaping the paths of these distant wanderers.
But what? A black hole? A rogue star? Or could it be a planet?
A hidden planet lurking in the shadows of our solar system? Enter Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin, two astronomers at Caltech with a knack for chasing cosmic mysteries. Mike, famously known as the Pluto Killer for his role in demoting Pluto to dwarf planet status, wasn't one to shy away from shaking up the solar system. Konstantin, his brilliant collaborator, brought a flair for theoretical wizardry. Together, they were about to embark on the astronomical adventure of a lifetime. In 2016, Brown and Batygin published a groundbreaking paper that sent shockwaves through the scientific world. Using complex computer simulations, they showed that the bizarre orbits of those TNOs could only be explained by one thing: a massive, unseen planet. A planet so big, so distant, it had evaded detection for centuries. They called it Planet 9. The hunt was on. But finding Planet 9 wouldn't be easy. This wasn't like spotting Jupiter in a backyard telescope. This was a search for a ghost. A world so far away, so faint, it might as well be a whisper in the dark. Let's unpack what makes this hidden giant so special. So what is Planet 9? Let's paint a picture. Scientists estimate this mysterious world could be 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth. That's not just big, it's colossal. For comparison, that's bigger than any dwarf planet like Pluto or Eris. In fact, it's more akin to a gas giant, like Uranus or Neptune, with a thick atmosphere of hydrogen and helium, possibly swirled with methane clouds that give it an eerie blue glow. But size is only part of the story. Planet 9's home is the deep freeze of the outer solar system, likely hundreds of times farther from the Sun than Earth. We're talking distances of 20 to 100 billion miles, possibly even in the Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell of comets that marks the very edge of the Sun's influence. Out there, the Sun is just a faint pinprick of light, and temperatures plunge to near absolute zero. Its orbit, mind-bogglingly huge. Planet 9 might take 10,000 to 20,000 years to complete a single lap around the Sun. To put that in perspective, when the last ice age ended, Planet 9 was probably just starting its commute through one tiny segment of its orbit. This is a planet that plays by its own rules, far removed from the hustle and bustle of the inner solar system. Mike Brown and his team didn't just pull this idea out of thin air. Their simulations showed that a planet of this size at this distance perfectly explained the clustering of those TNOs. It was like finding fingerprints at a crime scene. Planet 9 was the only suspect that fit the evidence. But there was a catch. No one had actually seen it. Finding Planet 9 is like looking for a needle in a haystack the size of the Pacific Ocean, in the dark, during a storm. This planet is so far away it's incredibly faint. Its surface likely reflects very little light, and its cold temperature means it emits almost no heat. To make matters worse, we don't know exactly where to look. The sky is big and Planet 9 is playing hard to get. Astronomers have turned to some of the most powerful telescopes on Earth to join the hunt. The Subaru telescope in Hawaii, with its massive 8.2-meter mirror, has been scanning the skies for faint glimmers that could betray Planet 9's presence. The Very Large Telescope in Chile is on the case too, and soon, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, with its revolutionary wide-field camera, will sweep the heavens like never before, potentially catching Planet 9 in its net. But it's not just about bigger telescopes. Scientists are getting creative. They're using techniques like gravitational lensing, where the planet's gravity might bend the light of distant stars, revealing its location. They're also exploring infrared imaging to detect the faint heat signature of a cold, distant world. Every night, teams of astronomers pore over terabytes of data, hoping for a breakthrough. Imagine the moment, a blip on a screen, a tiny speck of light that doesn't belong. Could it be Planet 9, or just another distant star? The tension is palpable. Every false alarm, every near miss, only fuels the determination to keep searching. If Planet 9 exists, it's not just a cool new planet to add to the solar system map. It's a game changer. Scientists believe this hidden giant could have played a starring role in the solar system's wild, formative years. Billions of years ago, when the planets were still settling into their orbits, Planet 9's immense gravity might have acted like a cosmic sculptor, shaping the outer solar system as we know it. It might have tossed comets into the Oort cloud, creating the reservoir that occasionally sends icy visitors streaking toward Earth. It could have nudged the Kuiper Belt into its current shape. And here's a wild thought. Some researchers even speculate there might be a second hidden planet out there, smaller but still significant, working in tandem with Planet 9 to orchestrate the dance of the outer solar system. Planet 9 could also hold the key to a bigger question: how do planetary systems form? If we find it, we might discover that giant planets lurking in the distant reaches of their stars are more common than we thought. Our solar system, with its hidden giant, might not be so unique after all. It could be a blueprint for countless other systems across the galaxy. The hunt for Planet 9 is far from over. It's a race against time, a global effort to uncover one of the greatest mysteries in modern astronomy. Every new telescope, every new technique brings us closer to the truth. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, set to come online soon, could be the key. Its ability to map the entire sky in unprecedented detail might finally pin down Planet 9's location. Picture this: one day, we might wake up to the news that Planet 9 has been found. A real, honest-to-goodness planet hiding in plain sight all along. Its discovery would be a triumph of human ingenuity, a testament to our refusal to stop asking questions. And it would change how we see our place in the cosmos forever. But even if we don't find Planet 9 tomorrow, or next year, or in our lifetimes, the search itself is a victory. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of surprises. Planet 9 is out there, waiting, silent, patient, and ready to teach us something profound about our home among the stars. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you loved this story, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more journeys into the unknown. What do you think? Does Planet 9 exist? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.